My name's Chuck Williams. I'm from Florida, Safety Harbor, Florida. And I had a situation where I had a tooth that had been giving me a lot of trouble for some time, and it was kind of complicated. They didn't really know just what the situation was. My dentist did send me to an endodontist, and they did a root canal. And during that procedure, they found out the main problem that I was having. The tooth was split deep, deep near the root, and they determined it had to be extracted. So that was kind of a shock for me. I didn't want to lose a tooth. You know, I enjoy my food and I like chewing all around in my mouth, and so I didn't want to have that tooth missing. And I had heard of implants but knew very little about them. I just knew it was possible. I was kind of in turmoil. Couldn't decide, you know, what should be done. Couldn't accept the fact of just having it extracted. And so my dentist, I was trying to get him to tell me, yes, I should do this, or no, I shouldn't do that, for whatever reason. And so he told me about Dr. Picos, and he raved about Dr. Picos. And everything he told me, I knew then I had to have at least the first meeting, the consultation, where they did the CT scan, and Dr. Picos would evaluate that and tell me my particular situation, what could be done. And when I met Dr. Picos, after hearing all of these good things about him, I knew right away, before I had even gotten the estimate, that I would want this done. You know, this is my answer to my problem. The thing is, it was kind of involved. Nothing for Dr. Picos, of course, but to me, I'm thinking, I can't imagine how he could do this. I really had no pain. I filled the prescription for the meds, but I didn't take one pill. That's pretty amazing to me. And what that tells me is, what else could that be but the skill of a surgeon? I mean, any profession, any trade, you're gonna have people that are on top of their profession. You're gonna have some that aren't very good at all, and most of them will fall somewhere in between. Well, Dr. Picos is definitely at the top of his profession, no doubt about that, because how he did that procedure, and I ended up with no pain. You know, I didn't take one pain pill. That amazed me, that impressed me. I cannot believe how comfortable it is, how natural feeling it is, the whole thing, the implant, the crown. I would never, ever have a clue that I had anything done. And that has got to be a good thing. How could you ask for any better than that? It is perfect. I'm so happy that I did it, that I didn't just go with the extraction. He has the personality like you just would not believe. He's so nice, so upbeat, and the very first time I met him, and I'm sure he's this way with everyone, he treats you like a longtime friend. Just the fact that Dr. Picos has such a fantastic personality and treats you like a friend immediately, it has to help a lot of people, because it relaxes them, makes them feel comfortable sitting in that dentist chair. It's just that thorough, and that professional, and that nice. And, but yeah, definitely would tell anybody that will listen to me, it's the only way to go. The peace of mind. Now I know I don't ever have to worry about losing a tooth anywhere, visible or not visible, because if I end up with another tooth that can't be saved, I could come back and see my friend Dr. Picos. He'll fix me right up. Teeth, you know, with implants, it's become a very, very big thing these days. You hear it more and more. They're advertising on TV. There's a lot of places doing it now. And I'm sure Dr. Picos is the person that's teaching these people how to do it. I can't imagine anybody being any better, to be honest with you.